guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dre Nicole and I'm back at you with another video. So today we are going to be doing a new style on my hair. Last time I did a video we were doing boxy braids. This time we are doing twists. They are looking fabulous, and if you want to see how I accomplished this hairstyle, please stay tuned. I will be walking you through step by step.
Hey guys, it is Editing Drea here. In this clip you can see I have a very short patch. I'm not sure why it doesn't retain length. I've been dealing with this for years now. I've tried different products and protective styles and nothing seems to work. If you have any suggestions on what could help, please leave them in the comment section below. I do check them on a daily basis. Thank you. Also, this edge wax that I am showing on the screen right now is a product that I had purchased from Dollar Tree. I was trying it out and it is actually pretty good.
With the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? I can't lose.
I also wanted to note that this style is being done on all natural hair. I do not have any treatments, no dyes, no relaxer in my hair. So what you are also seeing is a lot of shrinkage. I tried not to put any heat on it. I didn't blow dry. I just let my hair air dry. So I was trying a different method this time. So let me know how you like it. The hair and the edge fix that I am also using in this video was purchased at Sally's Beauty. I did not know that Sally Beauty sold weave. I usually go to the beauty store, but it was closed. Unfortunately, I went to the store on a Sunday, which I don't understand why they aren't open on the weekends. Don't you think they'll make more money? People do their hair on the weekends. They're usually off work. But yeah, I went to Sally Beauty and got it for actually a better price I would have gotten it for at the beauty store. So I was happy about that.
Ride with her, hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So here in this clip, I was having a difficult time seeing the top of my head to ensure that the part was straight.
Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Just follow behind in years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm no wiping up. Count the money up, fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and covers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it up by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. And you talk like the car ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling, smoothly in a prison. Turn this 50 flying, bitch, you mellow. But they got me to his temp, because I spit that flavor to the temp. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can...
Personally, I am not a fan of this foam. It smells like cologne, and the only reason I was using it is because I had ran out of my all day locks foam. But it works just as good. I just don't really like the scent.
You make me so.
I want to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified the next time I post. Say thank you all so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. Let's get to 150, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day.